Oh, hold on. Before I even start the intro, hold on one second. What is up, YouTube? This is Dreamqrew back with more for you to see. And today, as you can see, we got some Dreamqrew merch right here. Okay. Alright, so we got some Dreamqrew merch, and this is one of the first pieces that I actually picked up, which was the face mask. Now, this kind of looks like something else, but we're not gonna go there. I actually ordered 2 t-shirts from Dreamqrew, which is actually Kais Omar's shop, and when I picked this up, I was actually pretty surprised that it took as long as it did. Now, usually it probably takes about like 3 to 4 weeks to pick something up or get it shipped over to my house. It was probably short of like a month and a half, and I was kind of like worried about it because I thought that my order didn't process. I didn't get a shipping number or anything like that. But lo and behold, once I sent an email, they were all understanding and they definitely took care of it and got me with 2-day shipping. Now, I didn't stress about it, and this is very rare that anything like this happened. They really hooked me up because originally all I picked up was 2 shirts, and then they actually threw in some little goodies just because. So let's go ahead and get into my next piece from the face mask. Was this other free thing that they gave me was a Dreamqrew pin. Now this was actually super dope. Now I think I'm gonna actually put this on like my backpack or something like that, or maybe even a hat. It's just like this pin is just repping the Dreamqrew. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and get into the 2 t-shirts that I actually picked up. Astroworld actually dropped, I think it was back in August, and then Kais had his own release of Dreamqrew merch that kind of resembled the Astroworld look. So first one that I'm gonna show you is this right here. Alright, so always, whenever I get anything from the Dreamqrew website, it's always quality. It isn't like a Gildan or anything like that. So first things first, you see it says Dreamqrew, and it has that little smiley face with the world, kind of like what Travis Scott has on his Astroworld merch. And on the back of it, it says, I went to Crew TV and all I got was clickbait. You know, when it comes to me, I feel like when Kais and other YouTubers kind of use the merch that is out there and create their own, it's really dope because not everybody wants to spend like $60 on a tour merch. And on top of that, you'll be repping your favorite YouTuber, and I think it's a dope concept. Alright, and last but not least, we have another t-shirt I thought was super dope. Alright, so right here, this one has to be my favorite one that I picked up from the Dreamqrew website. It was actually a Dreamqrew logo shaped in the form of a Yeezy 700. Now this is super dope because right here is actually where there's 3M. Now I thought that that was super creative because number one, Kais loves the Yeezy 700, and number 2, just the fact that you can take your name and like create it into the shape of a sneaker, and just leave the outsole right there at the bottom. So for me, I think in the future I might actually do something like this because it's pretty dope. You know, I don't really like wearing white t-shirts, but this one in particular, I just was like, I'm gonna have to make an exception for because it's so cool. And the fact that it has the 3M on the front. Thanks guys for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and please be sure to share. Dreamqrew TV.